All right, Lincoln 430, 462 carburetors. This is something I see on a lot of cars. They run an Edelbrock as a replacement carb, which is fine, but they run a 1405 or 1406, I believe. I believe those are per numbers. And that is a passenger side fuel inlet. The Lincoln was originally built with a driver's side fuel inlet. So let me show you something. All right, here we go. So this is an 1806 Edelbrock carb. So this carb has the fuel inlet on the driver's side. This is actually the factory fuel line that came with this car. It fits directly into place. You do not have to change anything or have a fuel line snaked around to go to the passenger side. So they don't make the 1806 anymore. They came out with the 1906 and the 1905, I believe, is what Edelbrock calls them now. So with these style carbs, there is an inlet on either side of the fuel bowl to drop fuel in. So you don't have to have like the 1405 and 1406 and 1407. They only have the passenger side inlet. Whereas this one comes with both sides, you can decide. But that way on a Lincoln, you can use the factory fuel line and it will go right in place on the carburetor as it should. So that was just a little tech tip for the day. Hope that helps. Have a good one.